press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, in the previous class we were discussing the chain rule. So today also let us discuss some more varieties of problems on chain rule. Under that, first one, secant inverse of x cube, let y equal to secant inverse of x cube. What is the differentiation of secant inverse x? 1 by x root of x square minus 1. 1 by x root of x square minus 1. So differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx 1 divided by x place again ide nodi x cube, x root of x square means x cube whole square minus 1 into differentiation of x cube. Okay, 1 by x cube root of x power 6 minus 1 into differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Now let us cancel one x square term here, so that what is dy by dx, that is 3 divided by x root of x power 6 minus 1. So this itself is its derivative. Now let us take one more problem. Cot inverse of x by 3, let y equal to cot inverse of x by 3. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, what is differentiation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. What is differentiation of cot inverse x? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square. But in place of x you have x by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus x by 3 whole square into differentiation of x by 3 minus 1 by 1 plus x square by 9. Differentiation of x by 3 is 1 by 3. Now take 9 as the LCM, so that you get 9 plus x square. 3 ones are 3 3s are. After taking the LCM, 3 is left in the denominator. Transfer that to the numerator along with this negative sign. So what is dy by dx? Minus 3 by 9 plus x square. Sin inverse of tan x, let y equal to sin inverse of tan x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. What is differentiation of sin inverse x? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. But in place of x you have tan x. 1 by root of 1 minus x square means tan square x into differentiation of tan x, chain rule. So what is differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. Therefore, what is dy by dx? Secant square x divided by root of 1 minus tan square x divided by root of 1 minus tan square x. Next, cos inverse of 2 into e power x minus 3. Let y equal to cos inverse of 2 into e power x minus 3. So, what is the derivative of cos inverse x? Minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square means 2 into e power x minus 3 whole square, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ x ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ into differentiation of 2 into e power x minus 3 chain rule. Yes, minus 2 into differentiation of e power x is e power x minus differentiation of 3 which is a constant is 0 divided by root of 1 minus of 2 into e power x minus 3 whole square. So, this itself is dy by dx. Next, tan inverse of 2 by x square. Let y equal to tan inverse of 2 by x square. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. What is differentiation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square 2 by x square whole square into differentiation of 2 by x square. Okay. Now, x square whole square, that is x power 4 is the LCM. X power 4 plus 4. Transfer that x power 4 to the numerator into differentiation of, take the constant outside, differentiation of 1 by x square is minus 2 by x cube. Okay. One x cube cancel, one more x is left in the numerator, minus 4 x cube cancel, x is left, minus 4x divided by x power 4 plus 2 square is 4. So, that itself is dy by dx. Okay. Now, let us come to one more problem. sin inverse of x root x. Let y equal to sin inverse of, ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ x ರೂಟ್ x ಇದೆ, x ಪವರ್ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇದು x ಪವರ್ ಹಾಫ್. ಸೊ x ಪವರ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ದಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಯು x ಪವರ್ 3/2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx 1 by root of 1 minus x power 3/2 whole square into differentiation of x power 3/2. Okay, so this 2 to cancel. 1 over root of 1 minus x cube. Apply x power n formula for this. 3/2 into x power 3/2 minus 1. 1 by root of 1 minus x cube 3/2 x power 3 minus 2, that is 1/2. Or you can also write it as dy by dx is equal to 3 root x, x power 1/2 is root x, divided by 2 root of 1 minus x cube. So that itself is its derivative. X root x can be written as x power 3/2 sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square into differentiation of x power 3/2. 2 to cancel, x cube is left. Apply x power n formula, n into x power n minus 1. 3/2 minus 1 is 1/2, 2 is the LCM, 3 minus 2, 1/2. X power 1/2 can be written as root x. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದನ್ನು, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. x into cosecant inverse 1 by x. ನೋಡಿ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಕೋಸಿಕಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 1 by x ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ನೀನು ಕೋಸಿಕಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 1 by x ಅಂತಲೇ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅಂದರೆ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಥವಾ ಕೋಸಿಕಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 1 by x ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ y ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು x ಇಂಟು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಕೋಸಿಕಂಟ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ 1 by x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ x. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ with respect to x. dy by dx x into what is differentiation of sin inverse x 1 by root of 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ into differentiation of second function plus second function sin inverse x into differentiation of first function 1. First year allane kaltidiri onella. Therefore, what is dy by dx? X by root of 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x. Okay. Let us take one more problem. Root of 3x plus 2. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ NCERT ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡಿಸಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 by root of 2x square plus 4. Let y equal to root of 3x plus 2 plus 1 by root of 2x square plus 4. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. What is differentiation of root? 1 by 2 root of 3x plus 2 into differentiation of 3x plus 2 plus what is differentiation of 1 by x? 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square, minus 1 by what is x square? Root of 2x square plus 4 whole square into differentiation of 2x square plus 4. Differentiation of 3x is 3 plus differentiation of 2 is 0. 3 divided by 2 root of 3x plus 2 minus differentiation of x square is 2x, 2x into 2, 4x plus differentiation of 4 is 0. 4x by root of 2x square plus 4 whole square is simply 2x square plus 4. So this itself is dy by dx. Next, cot inverse 2 by x plus tan inverse x by 2 let y equal to cot inverse means tan inverse 2 by x andre x by 2 plus nodi cot inverse 2 by x andre using inverse trigonometric function property you can write it as reciprocal relation tan inverse of x by 2 plus tan inverse of x by 2. So y is equal to tan inverse of x by 2 plus tan inverse of x by 2 is 2 tan inverse of x by 2. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to 2 into what is differentiation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x by 2 whole square into differentiation of x by 2. Chain rule. 4 is the LCM, 2 square is 4. So in the denominator you get 4 plus x square. Transfer that 4 to the numerator, again 2 is here, 4 into 2 becomes 8. Differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Therefore, what is dy by dx? 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 divided by 4 plus x square. 4 divided by 4 plus x square. Next, e power secant square x plus 3 cos inverse x let y equal to e power secant square x plus 3 cos inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx e power secant square x into differentiation of secant square x plus 3 into what is differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. E power secant square x into what is differentiation of secant square x? 2 secant x into differentiation of secant x minus 3 by root of 1 minus x square. E power secant square x into 2 secant x into what is differentiation of secant x? Secant x into tan x. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು 2 ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಂತರ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2 ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ into secant x is secant square x into e power secant square x minus 3 by root of 1 minus x square. So that itself is its derivative. Next, e power minus ax. This is also on product rule. Tan square of x square plus 1. Tan square of x square plus 1. Let y equal to e power minus x into tan square of x square plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. Apply the product rule. First function e power minus ax into differentiation of tan square 2 tan of x square plus 1 into differentiation of tan of x square plus 1 plus second function. We are applying the product rule, remember it carefully. Tan square of x square plus 1 into differentiation of e power minus ax. E power minus ax, or you can take 2 tan of x square plus 1 in the beginning into e power minus ax into differentiation of tan is secant square of x square plus 1 into differentiation of x square plus 1, again chain rule, plus tan square of x square plus 1 into what is differentiation of e power minus ax minus a into e power minus ax. So you have the formula, e power ax formula. Now you can take e power minus ax and tan of x square plus 1 as a common factor. Then here you have 2 secant square of x square plus 1 into what is differentiation of x square plus 1? 2x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ e power minus ax ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ a ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ, ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ x square plus 1. Or you can also multiply these two, e power minus ax into tan of x square plus 1, 2x into 2, 4x into secant square of x square plus 1 minus a into tan of x square plus 1. Cos 5x plus sin inverse of tan x, whether it is plus or into, oh yes it is product. Let y equal to cos 5x into sin inverse of tan x. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, first function cos 5x into differentiation of second function sin inverse of, ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತಗೋಬೋದು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? 1 by root of 1 minus x ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿದೆ tan x, tan square x into differentiation of tan x plus second function sin inverse of tan x into what is differentiation of first function? First function is cos 5x, so that gives you minus 5 sin 5x. So that is what is differentiation of tan x? Secant square x, secant square x into cos 5x divided by root of 1 minus tan square x, this one, plus minus 5 sin 5x into sin inverse of tan x. So that itself is its derivative. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಥರೋವಾಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನು ಓದೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಥರೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಥರೋ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. e power sin x divided by root log x let y equal to e power sin x divided by root log x. So here in this problem you have to make use of the chain rule in quotient rule. Nodi ಎರಡು function division formal ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you have to make use of the quotient rule. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx, quotient rule, denominator root log x into differentiation of numerator e power sin x into differentiation of sin x minus numerator e power sin x into differentiation of denominator 1 by 2 root log x into differentiation of log x divided by square of the denominator root log x whole square. Okay. Root log x into e power sin x into differentiation of sin x is cos x minus e power sin x into what is differentiation of log x? 1 by x. So adanna ee reeti ille baredu bidteni 1 by 2x root log x divided by root log x whole square is log x. Or you can also take LCM. LCM ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ನೀನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. Take e power sin x as common first. 2x root log x is the LCM. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಮಗೆ log x ಇದೆ. 2x root log x is the LCM. Root log x into root log x is log x. That is 2x log x into e power sin x ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಾ, ಏನು ಉಳಿತು cos x minus e power sin x ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದೆಯಾ, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಉಳಿತು ನಮಗೆ 1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2x root log x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು log x ಇದೆ, ಇದು root log x ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ log x power 1 log x power half ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ log x power 3 by 2. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಾದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. Root of 1 minus sin x by 1 plus sin x. Let y equal to root of 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x. Differentiate with respect to x dy by dx. What is differentiation of root? 1 by 2 root of 1 minus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into differentiation of 1 minus sin x. ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ರೂಟಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರ್ಯಾಡಿಕಂಡ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ರೂಟ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ sin x. Yes. Now apply the quotient rule for this function. Denominator 1 plus sin x into differentiation of numerator minus cos x minus of 1 minus sin x into differentiation of denominator is cos x divided by square of the denominator means 1 plus sin x whole square. So now let us take cos x as the LCM. Sorry, cos x as a common factor, or you can take minus cos x as a common factor. Okay? Illenide innondu term root of 1 plus sin x. Inside you have 1 plus sin x, minus is taken common, so this becomes plus 1 minus sin x divided by 2 root 1 minus sin x. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1 plus sin x whole square ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, root of 1 plus sin x into root of 1 plus sin x into 1 plus sin x ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ 1 plus sin x ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 1 plus sin x ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಎ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾವು, ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ ಎ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎ ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಎ. Now cancel these two. Okay? So what is left? Minus cos x into plus sin x minus sin x cancel 2 divided by 2. Root of 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x is root of 1 minus sin square x into 1 plus sin x. So cancel 2 2. So that is equal to minus cos x divided by what is 1 minus sin square x, cos square x, its root is cos x into 1 plus sin x. So now cancel cos x with cos x. Therefore, what is your final answer? dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Minus 1 by 1 plus sin x. Root of 1 minus cos 4x divided by 1 plus cos 4x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let y equal to root of 1 minus cos 4x divided by 1 plus cos 4x. Y is equal to root of 2 sin square 2x. 1 minus cos 4x ಅಂದರೆ 2 sin square 2x multiple angle. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 2 cos square 2x, 2 cancel, root of tan square 2x. ನೋಡಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ. ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. y is equal to tan 2x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to, what is tan ax formula? 2 secant square, a secant square ax. Similarly, here it is a 2 secant square 2x. Similarly, you can try one more problem of the same kind. Root of 1 plus sin 2x. Root of 1 plus sin 2x divided by 1 minus sin 2x. So, ಇದನ್ನು ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬೇಡ. Next, e power log x by x. Let y equal to e power log x by x. A simple tricky question. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವ. ಈ ಬೇಸು ಎರಡೂ ಒಂದೇ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. y is equal to x ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ y is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್? The derivative of a constant is 0. Next, e power root x into sin x. E power root x into sin x. Let y equal to e power root x into sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to e power root x into product rule. Differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x into differentiation of e power root x is e power root x into differentiation of root x. So now you can take e power root x as a common factor, cos x plus sin x. What is differentiation of root x? 1 by 2 root x. Next, tan inverse of e power x into log of sin x. Tan inverse of e power x into log of sin x. Let y equal to tan inverse of e power x into log of sin x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx. What is differentiation of tan inverse of e power x? First function ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. Tan inverse of e power x into differentiation of log of sin x plus log of sin x into differentiation of tan inverse of e power x. Tan inverse of e power x into, what is differentiation of log sin x? 1 by sin x into differentiation of sin x is cos x, plus log sin x into differentiation of tan inverse e power x is 1 by 1 plus e power x whole square into differentiation of e power x is e power x. Now let us simplify that one. Tan inverse of e power x into cos x by sin x is cot x, plus e power x into log of sin x divided by 1 plus e power x whole square can be written as e power 2x. So this itself is dy by dx. Okay. Now let us take one more problem. X cube into 2 power log x. Let y equal to x cube into 2 power log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx, x cube into differentiation of 2 power log x first function plus second function 2 power log x into differentiation of first function x cube. I am applying the product rule. X cube into, what is ನೋಡಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, 2 ಪವರ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ 2 ಇಂಟು what is differentiation of log x 1 by x plus 2 power log x into what is differentiation of x cube 3x square. Now you can take 2 power log x as a common factor and then x square is there, then you get x log 2, or you can also cancel x with x, simply it is log 2 plus 2 power log x is taken common, x square is taken common, so what is left 3. Okay, so this is about the product rule and quotient rule which are involved in the chain rule. In the next class we will come across some more varieties of problems on chain rule. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಕೆಲವು ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.